Have you ever been in a situation where you've received an unwanted payment request or a weird comment on a Venmo transaction from a complete stranger? It's awkward, annoying, and honestly, a little unsettling. The last thing you want is to feel uncomfortable on a platform designed to make splitting bills with friends easier. So, what do you do when you need to put a stop to this? The answer is simple: you block them. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Blocking someone on Venmo is a straightforward process, but the steps can be a little different depending on whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop site. I'll cover both so you're all set no matter how you use Venmo. First, let's look at the mobile app, since that's what most people use. There are a couple of ways to block someone here. The easiest way is to find a transaction, comment, or payment request from the person you want to block. Tap on their profile picture or username to go to their profile page. Once you're on their profile, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on those three dots, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, you should see the option to block user. Just tap on that, confirm your decision, and you're done. They're blocked. Now, what if you don't have a recent transaction with them? No problem. You can still find their profile using the search bar. Just go to the search icon, type in their username, and find their profile. Once you're on their profile page, the process is exactly the same. Tap the three dots in the top right, select block user, and confirm. Easy peasy. Now, for those of you on the desktop site, the process is similar. You'll need to find the person's profile page. You can do this by searching for their username or by clicking on their name from a transaction or comment. Once you're on their profile page, you'll see a button that says block. Click on that, confirm your choice, and they're blocked. So, what happens after you block someone? For starters, they won't be able to send you payments, charge you, or make any payment requests. Their past transactions with you will still be visible to them, but they won't be able to interact with your future public transactions. It's important to know that blocking is a two-way street. You also won't be able to send them money or interact with them. It's a clean break. Blocking is a great tool for maintaining your privacy and safety on Venmo. Whether it's a person you know who's being annoying, or a stranger who's making you feel uneasy, you have the power to take control of your experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.